Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're diving into the latest price analysis of SUI. The big question, will the correction continue or are we nearing a reversal? Let's break it down. Right now, the SUI chart is showing signs of a possible turnaround in the support zone we discussed previously. However, there's no concrete evidence yet that the bottom is in. The price action is still within a downtrend, and until we see a confirmed breakout, we have to remain cautious. We've maxed out the current move down, and while one more low is still possible, anything deeper would start increasing the probability that a cyclical price top has already formed. So far, we haven't broken below the critical 50% retracement level, and $1.86 remains a strong support level to watch. Looking at the market structure, SUI is still forming lower highs and lower lows. This means we cannot confirm a trend reversal just yet. The February price action was mostly sideways, and even though we saw some stronger reactions from the February 3rd swing low, it wasn't enough to trigger a bullish breakout. The price attempted to break out of a triangle pattern but failed to push above the key resistance levels. Without a clear impulsive move upward, the downtrend remains in play. Now, the big question, what would confirm a reversal? The first sign of bullish momentum would be a wave 1 move up, followed by a wave 2 retracement, and then a breakout above key resistance. Right now, the critical level to watch is $2.38, which was the high from Wednesday's trading session. If we see a strong break above this level, it could indicate a potential reversal. On the other hand, if SUI breaks below $2.12, the Thursday low, then we are likely heading further down, possibly to $1.86. A break below this support level would strongly suggest that a long-term price top has formed. While a turnaround is still possible, we need to see confirmation before getting too bullish. Until then, the trend remains downward. If you're trading SUI, keep an eye on the key resistance and support levels. If you found this analysis helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more updates.